Today I'm gonna show you how to log your mobile devices to this birdwatch camera over here. So basically the first step we do is we turn on the power source, and we have to wait until this camera here give us a click sound. As you can hear, the click sound has already started, so the system is booted up. And the second thing of all, which is really important, you have to restart the system. So what I'm going to do is press this reset button right here for 15 seconds. So it's still the same thing. We have to wait for this camera here to make a click sound. Okay, the click sound is already sounded, so I'm just gonna go log in. As you can see, there's no device here, so I'm just gonna go and add device. So choose the first option right here. It says set up my device in Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna click on it. Before doing that, if your data is on, you can turn it off. So I'm just gonna turn it off. So next step,
please input wireless router password, click OK.
So this is your home Wi-Fi, so when you're connecting to it, you have to remember. And I'm sending this Wi-Fi information to this camera to receive right now. So I'm gonna just go confirm it. Confirm.
Network is connecting. Please wait a moment.
Okay, the birdwatch camera has already received it, so it's analyzing it right now. Okay, so now it's going to go through guides. It's already connected, so I'm just going to go with done. So now if you want to have activated, it's already added right here. So I'm just going to go and click this one. As you can see, it's already connected. So the camera here are really HD version and nice. So if you have any other questions, and if it doesn't work, then you have to reset the system again and try doing it the same steps again. So if you guys have any other questions, just comment below and we'll get right by you.